is the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program working like it's supposed to be? Well, we have the latest data that just dropped from July 31st of this year, and you can see that since the history of public service loan forgiveness, 1.15 million borrowers have collectively had $85 billion in student loan debt forgiven. But that's only part of the story. The real question is how has that changed in the new administration and over time? Well, we have some of the past data, and I think it's really important to talk about this stuff. So keep that 1.15 million in mind, because take a look at this. Just in October of 2024 is when we crossed the 1 million mark. And what does that mean? It means that we've seen over about 150,000 borrowers get public service loan forgiveness since October of last year. So that means it is moving like it's supposed to be. I know the PSLF buyback program is quite a problem, but generally PSLF is working. And if you go back one more level to 2023, you'll see some real shocking results here. Take a look at 1/31/2023, and you can see that just 388,000 people had received public service loan forgiveness. So in about 2.5 years, we've gone from 388,000 to 1.15 million borrowers getting student loan forgiveness. Now that sounds crazy, but you also have to realize that timing plays a big factor in this. And what do I mean by that? Well, the public service loan forgiveness program started in October of 2007, but it really didn't get going until 2014. And why is that? Well, the direct loan program started for everybody in 2009. And if you were a college student getting a direct loan for the first time, you would have borrowed it in the fall of 2009 and then gone to school for 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. And you would have started repaying in roughly the fall of 2013 or 2014. And remember, public service loan forgiveness is a 10-year program. And so there's a reason why we're seeing 2023 and 2024 being massive improvements in the number of people getting it, because that is naturally the end of this 10-year period of time. And if you look at the data, you can go back here and see that we are seeing more and more people applying to the program, and we're seeing a pipeline of about 150,000 people expected to get student loan forgiveness every year for the next decade because of that simple math. So what are your thoughts? Are you seeing the same thing? Are you hearing the same thing? Or are you frustrated with the PSLF buyback numbers specifically? We'd love to know, but we're always here to bring you the latest on personal finance and higher education news.